Welcome to the Global Hotel. May I help you?
I'd like to check in. I have a reservation.
What's your name, please?
Nia Lorne.
Yes, Miss Nia. You requested a single room for 3 nights, is that correct?
Yes. Could I have a room on the upper floors, away from the ice machine?
No problem. Do you prefer a smoking or non-smoking floor?
Non-smoking, please.
Could you fill out the registration form, please? Thank you. And will you be paying by cash or credit card?
Cash, if you accept American dollars.
Of course, madam. If you require local currencies, we can also exchange money for you.
That's great. I do need some cash.
Your room number is 1109. Here's your key. Enjoy your stay at the Global Hotel. If you require anything further, feel free to call the front desk. Would you like assistance with your bags?
No thanks. I only have one. I can manage.